Want to know how to track your progress in Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Buddy AI application or the interface, and you should be right here. And now once you're here, tracking your progress is super simple. You can just simply look at it through the amount of coins that you have on the top right side, the amount of hearts that you have on top, or checking the levels. So for that, on the bottom right side, you can just simply select this rocket icon, and now once you have figured that, here you should be seeing the levels that you can choose from. So as you scroll, you can see you're leveling up, and this is how you can easily track your progress. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar Buddy AI videos. See you in the next one.